Windows 8 Consumer Preview on a virtual box, on an Oracle virtual box. Right, basically you will need to download Windows 8 Consumer Preview from Microsoft website, and you will also need to download the VirtualBox software. If you haven't got it on your PC or laptop, you will need to download this one as well from Oracle website. And I've got both the links on the description below. For you to try out Windows 8 Consumer Preview on a virtual box, you will first need to install VirtualBox software on your PC. And I'm not going to show you how to install VirtualBox in this video. I will have a link below if you actually want to know more about Oracle VirtualBox and how to install and get support. So basically you go to that site and get the information whatever you need. So I'm going to show you, assuming that you have installed VirtualBox on your PC and you already have a copy downloaded Windows 8 Consumer Preview. So this is how your Oracle VirtualBox will look like when you fire up the VirtualBox application. Alright, first you will have to click on New, and it says welcome to new virtual machine wizard, and say next. Right, I first ask for the name of the OS, so I'll give as Windows 8, and the operating system will be Windows 8, and the version will be Windows 8. You can select from this drop down menu, click next, and it will ask for the memory. So currently my system has 3 gig of memory, and it's gonna use 1 gig for this virtual machine. So it basically depends on what you actually need. So I'll leave it as 1 gig because the minimum requirement for Windows 8 is 1 gig. And the next is to create an hard disk. I would say next and create a new hard disk. And the next screen is to select the virtual disk creation wizard. I'll leave it as the default selection and click next, and you'll be asked dynamically allocated disk or a fixed size. So in this window I'm gonna select fixed size because fixed size is good in performance, and click next. There you go. We're gonna create a 20 gig hard disk, and it's asking for the location where you want to save the hard disk. If you have a preference, you can obviously create the browse button and then give the location wherever you need, but I'm gonna leave it as it is and click next, and it gives a summary of what you're gonna do, I mean what you selected and everything, and click create. So here we are with the Windows 8 virtual machine installed on our VirtualBox manager, and this is how it's gonna look like. So if you want to start up the Windows 8 virtual machine, select that machine and then go click on start. Right, it comes up with this warning message saying there's no bootable medium found. That's because we haven't selected a bootable device for the virtual machine. So I will click OK and then go on to devices in here and select CD or DVD devices, and the first option in here that shows choose a virtual CD or DVD disk file. Click on that. Select that ISO file that you downloaded from Microsoft website and click open and restart the machine. I mean just the virtual machine. So click on machine and then go click on reset and ask for a confirmation. So I would say reset, and there it is. It's just booting up. Okay, here's with the Windows setup page with the Windows 8 logo in it. So you first need to select the language that you need to install. So that's always United States, and the second language, the time and currency format, I'm gonna select it United Kingdom. Click next and click on install now. So on the next page of this Windows setup is to enter the product key, the license key. You can find this license key on Microsoft website where you downloaded Windows 8 Consumer Preview. I will also have this license key in the description down below. You cannot copy and paste the license key in here. You will have to type it. So I've typed in the license key and clicks next, and you'll have to accept the terms of this license. Well, and then clicks next. You've got two options. Basically, if you are installing on a Windows 7 or a Windows Vista PC, you will have to select the first option, so that if you do that in that way, if you do an upgrade, so the first option is upgrade. If you do an upgrade, what it does is you can move the files from the previous operating system. But in this case, we are installing a fresh copy onto a new machine. Uh, so I would select custom and install Windows only, and the next screen would be the hard disk selection where you want to install this. So as we have only one hard disk in here, I'll be selecting just this hard disk and then click next. There you go. That's it. Almost be done. It's finished installing and restarting at the moment. Okay, so this is the first screen that you see after it finishes installing. At the final stage, it's asking you to select the color schemes. So you can select whatever the color you like in here. I would go for a gray and select the name as FreeDig and press enter. And the next screen, use Express settings, and well, the difference is it gives you an option for you to sign in using an Hotmail or a live Windows ID. I'll go for the local account with the old way and click next. Give the username as Digger because I like the name Dig. Any password. Click finish, and it's finalizing your settings. Wow, that's your user account. Okay, there you go. That's your Windows 8 Metro user interface. It's all tiles. So hope you've enjoyed it and been useful for you. Please like it and subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to make another video on Windows 8 features, comparing it from Windows XP to Windows 7. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.